I must interrupt this broadcast because a large delivery has landed. This is the first piece of a whole setup that's going to really be a game changer for the type of work that I can do. And this is just the first part of the puzzle, so I'm not going to tell you what the other part is, but you can have a guess. Jesus! How about that for a monster? This is part of a CNC plasma table setup, which I'm getting from Extreme Plasma. So they're just building me a table at the moment. Should be here in the next few weeks, and then I'm going to be going up to their factory where they make them and doing some training on how to use the software. And so I'm going to be working with them. And yeah, it should be a bit of a game changer really, particularly for the next build. So yeah, can't wait to get that and learn how to use it. I'm going to have to drag the old dinosaur out and heave this one in. I think I'm going to have to get a load of fittings and stuff for it, and some water traps. So we'll set this up another day. It's certainly a big old beast.